Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect Bluetooth headphones to your DREAME TV. First of all, you're gonna have to make sure to put your Bluetooth headphones into the pairing mode, which you can easily do by holding down some sort of the power button or the home button on your Bluetooth device. So in my case, it's located right on the case of my Bluetooth headphones. In your case, the location might be different, or there might be a different way to put your device into the pairing mode. I cannot tell you specifically how to put any Bluetooth device into pairing mode, but generally speaking, once your device goes into pairing mode, the lights on it start blinking rapidly, and after that, we're gonna have to go to the quick settings menu on our TV, open all settings list, and then scroll down to remotes and accessories menu. Once you find it, open it, make sure that your Bluetooth is enabled, then click plus pair accessory, and then let your TV find your Bluetooth device, Bluetooth headphones nearby. Make sure to put your Bluetooth headphones close enough to your TV for it to recognize them. And once they appear on the list, click OK button on your remote control to start pairing with your Bluetooth headphones. Then click pair. And right now our Bluetooth headset is paired with the TV. And if you want to unpair it or disconnect it, go to your accessories list in this menu, and then select your Bluetooth device, Bluetooth headset, and select either disconnect if you want to disconnect, or forget if you want to unpair them. Then click yes, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.